like they're free.
Love it, yeah.
I'll market the hell out of them as well.
Right then. Have a good, if I don't see you, have a good Christmas and you, Carl.
Thank you,
I'll
bud.
see you both soon.
So what do you think of that, Dad?
One happy customer. I
One
love it.
happy customer.
I want it, don't you?
What an amazing build, mate.
Yeah,
Little
low, wide, all the carbon. Goes with that red, beautiful. We put some gloss black accents in there, gold calipers. Yeah, I think everyone's happy with that.
Oh,
And our decals in the, it's a high metallic silver.
Yeah,
And I think that just suits it as well, you know, everything just ties together. So.
absolutely. See the look on his face, absolutely over the moon.
Yeah.
One of one.
Yeah,
That is
one of one.
fantastic.
First one ever in the UK, there we are.
Raptor.
Oh,
Custom.
Raptor, yeah.
.com. And with Vehicle Revolution. I think we deserve a pint now, don't you? Dad?
Yeah, I'm going to have my cake and eat it.
All right, so say bye-bye to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Wish you a great 2022.
Don't forget the next build you're going to tell the guys about. What's the next build?
So we've got a special XJR 575 with an SVR style kit on it. Lots of carbon, as per usual, probably with a few tasty extras. So
There you
follow
go.
that one.
Can't wait for that one.
All right.
All right. All right.
Thanks all. Cheers.
So, everyone, bye-bye.